What's up, guys? Okay, let me show you one of the things that we bought. Okay, let's unbox this. This is, I told you guys that hubby was coming yesterday. He came back home. Hubby bought me. He bought me when we went to the shopping mall. He bought me. Saw this beautiful and amazing, my passion, my love. Oh God, Abby, I love good things. This is what Abby bought for me. This is Moschino love. Moschino love, guys. He said the one that I bought the other day, he loved it. He really liked it because I bought that for myself. Okay, Abby dashed me this bag. Another new product came out when we went to the shopping mall. Different type. Abby chose this one immediately and he said, did you like it? They say now woman wey be say they try na ma they give good. Abby bought me 3 jeans trouser. I was the one that chose where I'm going to buy it because I do not need anything that the jeans trouser that is going to cost me a lot of money. Then I just say something simple that I will be using at home. Then Abby bought me this jeans trouser, which is we are going to be trying it right now. Wow, this is my new jeans trouser, 42 size. The second jeans trouser, size 42. It's very beautiful and I love it. This is nice. Odogu wife. Hey, it's beautiful. Then let me go. This is our bag. Oh God. The jeans trouser is giving. Everything here is giving. And the bag is giving. All of them are really beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. You have to go. Ooh.